Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper background on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher utility, and you want to go underneath, just search for wallpaper. Best results should come back with change wallpaper. Go ahead and select that. And then you can select from a wallpaper on this list here. And you can also select a custom one that is saved on your computer. If you go back to wallpaper, you can go underneath my images too. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.